get it, boys.
Alright, you guys. It's been a hot ass minute, but it has finally happened. Finally got my car painted. Paint coat on this baby is a hot Laguna metallic blue. It comes off of the Corvettes. And yeah, I was gonna go with a Ford color, but who wants a Ford color? So I went with, you know, the old vet color. Just going online, scrolling, I was just looking at different colored blues and I just came up this one. Paint code is G27. I'm not real secretive like some people are with their damn paint codes. Because there was people I asked what color were their cars and they kept that shit hidden. I don't know. People are just super secretive. I got the red badges on it. I put new headlights on it. I could have painted them black like the old ones, but I kept them chrome because I feel like it looks better chrome. I got the GSR blades up there that I traded my ESRs for, and they're sitting on Ventus V2s. And yeah, pretty good tires. I like them. I am gonna change them though. I want the Nito gens. Those things, they look super cool with the lettering, so that's why I want them. It has a working sunroof because it's a LS, even though it has the GSR blades up there. And I got a new bumper because I had an eBay rear bumper before, and it had a mean stitch right here. If I have a picture of it, I'll insert it. But yeah, I got it because it says Integra on. I got the red badge for the back. Still has the 98 tail lights. I'm gonna need a new hood. I should have got one when it got painted, but if you could tell, it looks kind of weird. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but man, this thing is dented up. And other than that, yeah, this is the car, man. Laguna metallic blue. If you look on the car, it's a little light in some spots, but spots that pretty much aren't important. Like the inside of this grille, it's kind of hard to tell, but like on the inner parts of it, it's pretty light. And that's because I only could afford at the time a gallon of the paint. But other than that, the car is crispy. If you get up on it, it looks weird in some spots, but if you get up on it, it's all one color. But yeah, man, here it is, 98 Integra. It is a LS, that's the trim model. That's why it has a sunroof on it. I really wanted the sunroof. I could have got a GSR, but I want the sunroof. So you need the damn sunroof because I just took out the AC. I plan on boosting the car before I go K. But yeah, let me show you the inside of the car. It's all stock. Yeah, it just needs to be clean just a little bit. But yeah, I plan on getting a new steering wheel, a quick release one. I want to get a Monte Carlo Momo steering wheel. It's a 320 millimeter, so it's a lot smaller than this one, but it has bride boots on the handbrake and on the shift boot. It has a short throw in it. It has I think those are GSR back seats because they're leather, and LS front seats because those ones are cloth. But yeah, I plan on re-dyeing the floors. I want to make them black, like really dark black, pretty much just jet black. All right, so now I'm gonna show you guys the engine bay. It's pretty stock in here. I need to clean it up. Plan on going boosted before I go K, so I can blow this motor and then go K. I was at the Spring Fest and I seen that, man, there were so many Hondas out there that just had boosted B series. I thought I would have seen a lot of K swaps there, but there's just a lot of boosted Bs, so that made me want to go boosted B because, you know, if those guys do it and they enjoy their builds, I know that the K series, K is the way, but I don't know, man. People are just telling me to go boosted B first, but this right here is the engine bay. I put a new distributor on it, changed the timing belt, new plug wires. I had a plug in the intake right there, but it fell out. Recently, just put this half radiator. I have to get a new one because it gave me, I think, a Honda Civic one, even though I put Integra. Yeah, I took out the AC compressor because it just saves so much space. And either way, if I plan on boosting, you know, eventually this power steering is gonna have to come out too, because I'm just gonna get an eBay setup. But well, I'm just gonna get the eBay turbo. I'm gonna get everything else like AEM, like the fuel rail, all that stuff. This is it right here. It's pretty simple, pretty stock. Still have all the ABS lines that look so weird. I gotta redo the wiring on the headlights, but I plan on, you know, tucking those up in the fender. But yeah, man, this is it right here. Pretty stock, pretty mint. Hey man, but this has been a walk around of my 98 Integra. I plan on posting a build series. I usually post quad videos, but I decided to change it up for once and make a car video. So probably gonna do a how-to video on you know, boosting the car, all types of stuff. I should have recorded yesterday when I went to Spring Fest, whatever you call it. But yeah, be on the lookout for some more videos. Make sure you leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, holla at your boy.
To the money, I don't hesitate. Pouring foes just to meditate. And getting money just to elevate.
Bands, I be fucking them. Hundreds, I be touching them. Nigga, you ain't touching them. Got pistols, you ain't busting them. We creeping, yeah, we up to some. I'm fiending for a lick. Your baby mama calling, shawty fiending for the dick. I came for service, this my niggas really beat the block. Fucking up a 20 piece, I'm breezing through the guap. Blood rushing through my body when I'm squeezing on the Glock. How you rapping all that shit, but riding